Good morning, student. Myself Kihar Singh from Jatri Academy. Today we'll discuss class 12 subject BST chapter 3 business environment. Here we will discuss very important topic, importance of business environment. Basically business environment have been different types of importance, so here we will see one by one. So first is it help in coping rapid changes. It will be helpful for the rapid changement. It will understand the market condition. So today changes are taken place very fastly. uh, right now in our surrounding, different types of technological upgradation, different types of the understanding and the need of the customer have been changing. So according to the changement and the due to the competition, it will be changes and very necessary. If those are not change ourselves according to need of the people, thereafter they can not survive. So manager must examine the environment, both internal and external. Manager must be understand the both type of the environment and the pupil need and their choice. Thereafter he cannot be if they cannot understand the environment of the pupil thinking, thereafter it is very difficult for the surviving. So thereafter next one is help in improving performance. The firm which continuously monitor their environment and develop suitable action. If the firm will not continuously understand and watch the environment of the pupils, thereafter and he will not take an uh, uh, suitable action to their own improvement, thereafter it is very difficult for surviving. Not only improve their present performance but also continue to succeed in the market for long time period. If any organization or company want to live in long time period, they must be improve their own performance and continue to the market. uh, for example, Onida TV will fail to changes the technology. That's why their name is not present in the market, and it is very difficult for surviving. So it will be must know according to time, it will must change according to time. Thereafter help in tapping useful resources. Businessmen require raw material and other resources, keeping in mind the output demand by the market. If the businessman not see the raw material and other resources in keeping in mind and the output demand in the market, what types of resources is available in the businessman and what types of need of the market, thereafter if he cannot understand better way, thereafter he will not take more and more profit for a long time period. They select resources according to its availability and demand of the output. If the organization cannot understand the availability and demand, they cannot proper match. Thereafter, it is very difficult for take profit. Next one is help the firm to identify threat and warning signals. If the organization can threat or fear of the negative policy and hurdles, thereafter he cannot take good decision, and if he will not take a good decision, thereafter he cannot survive for a long time period. Timely scanning of business environment can aware you about these threats. If time to time you must be scan the environment, you aware about the environment, you understand the people thinking level. Thereafter, the threats must be reduced, and you will be take more and more positive output, and you will take the confidence and you take more profit and survive in the organ market for a long time period. Next one is enable to firm opportunity. Opportunity refer to positive signal and change that will help to improve firm performance. Opportunity must be helpful for a type of positive signal, a positive energy, and it will also give the a good impact to the pupil, and they must be If they have been positive energy, they can do better. Okay, thank you very much.